Students, hope you all are fine. Today in this video we are going to study about the types of chemical reactions. Chemical reaction, they are basically of four types depending upon the type of chemical change that occurs during the reaction. And these four types of chemical reactions are combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction and neutralization reaction. So here in this video we study about these different types of reactions one by one. So let's talk about the combination reaction first. The word combination that has come from the word combine, which means to join. So a chemical reaction in which two or more substances combines to form a new substance, that is called a combination reaction. As we can see some examples here. The first example where hydrogen and oxygen gas, they are combining to form a single product called water. So this is an example of a combination reaction. The number of reactants here are 2, but a product that is formed is only a single product. Similarly, in the next example, here also the two gases are combining with each other. One is nitrogen, other is hydrogen. And after combining, they are yielding a gas known as ammonia. Again, two reactants, but the product that is obtained is a single product. Now let's talk about the second type of reaction, that is called decomposition reaction. That word decomposition has come from the word decompose, which means to break. So a chemical reaction in which more than one product is obtained from a single reactant, that is called a decomposition reaction. As we can see the example here, when we pass the electric current through water, it dissociates to give hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. As we can see here, only a single reactant and it breaks into two products. One is hydrogen gas, other one is the oxygen gas. Same way we can see the second example also here. When we strongly heated limestone, it decomposes to give quicklime and carbon dioxide gas. In this example also, only a single reactant is there and the product that is obtained is 2. Now let's talk about the third type of reaction, that is the displacement reaction. So a chemical reaction in which one element displaces another in a compound, that is called a displacement reaction. Let's see the example. As you can see, iron is reacting with copper sulfate solution and it is forming a product ferrous sulfate and copper. As we can see here, iron is displacing copper from its place. Hence, it is an example of a displacement reaction. Displacement means to replace. So here iron is replacing copper from its place. Hence, it is an example of displacement reaction. Now let's talk about the last type of reaction, that is called neutralization reaction. So a chemical reaction between an acid and a base, that is called a neutralization reaction. And a neutralization reaction that always leads to the formation of a salt and water. Or we can say that whenever an acid or base reacts with each other, they results in the formation of salt and water. As we can see the example here. In the first example, sodium hydroxide is reacting with hydrochloric acid, resulting in the formation of sodium chloride, which is a salt, and along with that water is formed. Same way, in the second example, magnesium hydroxide, which is a base, it is reacting with the acid, that is sulfuric acid, resulting in the formation of the salt, that is magnesium sulfate. Along with that water is formed.